Hey guys, just a quick video. I picked up this Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 model laptop at Best Buy the other day, and it was a super good price. I got this one on open box, but I think they were going for around 600 bucks. And here's the model info. It's really simple to do the upgrade on this. I saw a lot of comments asking questions on, well, how do I upgrade it? It doesn't come stock with very much. I think it's got a really small SSD and a 8 gig of RAM stick, but they're super easy to upgrade. So in the back here, you can see there's, I think it was 6 longer screws, and then in the front were just 6 smaller black screws. So there's the longer ones, and then there's these little black guys there. So that's all it is. That's all that holds this on. I was able to pry this off from the back coming forward. Takes a little finesse, but once you get it off, it's pretty self-explanatory in here. So it goes without saying. Of course, there's your battery. Over here is where your RAM goes. Now this is just a cover, and this just pops right off. Pre-installed, there was one Samsung 8 gig, but I'm not 100% sure that that's what this came with. Like I said, this was an open box at Best Buy. Over here, you'll see the pre-installed NVMe SSD. I think it's only 120 something gigabytes. It's a really small SSD. But that, of course, has the OS and everything on it. And also, I noticed if you look down here, you see where it says RGB. So it appears like there's supposed to be a ribbon cable, or the ability to have a ribbon cable, maybe to light up the keyboard. And then as we come over here, you'll see your Wi-Fi card. And I installed this. This is an additional NVMe. I went with a Western Digital Black 1 terabyte. But I'll tell you, this standoff was not here. So I had to order a packet from Amazon here of all these different standoffs. I ended up using the smallest one. In fact, I don't even know if there's another one in here. Yeah, this guy. Oh my gosh, it was literally like a millimeter or two. Like, it's a really small standoff. And to install that, I just used one of the screws, screwed it into the standoff, and then screwed that right into, there's an actual port, a boss right here on the frame. There's actually 2 of them. There's one under here, and then this one here. And it just threads right in. No big deal. But it does not come with that stock, so you'd have to get that in addition to your NVMe drive. And then I wanted to point out that if you look closely here, you'll see that this bay actually seems as if it could hold an SSD. Now, I don't know if you could get away with that having the NVMe here. But if you look over here, you'll see it says HDD. I'm assuming that's a hard drive ribbon plug that would then come out maybe and connect to a SATA cable adapter for your SSD. So that's just it. That's I wanted to show you guys what this looks like in here, and dispel any myths or rumors. It really is just that simple.